The Program of Advancement through Health and Education PATH is developing Jamaica's human capital to break the intergenerational cycle of poverty. Their aim is to provide financial support to the most vulnerable in society through their delivery of cash benefits. PATH has impacted about 350,000 beneficiaries, the majority of them being children. To recognize the academic performance of those children, the Top Achievers Awards were introduced in 2005. After a brief pause caused by the pandemic, it returned in 2023.
The Top Achievers Awards event showcases some of our most outstanding students and leaders who have made significant strides towards the economic independence of themselves and their families, with PATH as a strong and reliable system of support.
29 PATH students were awarded for their outstanding academic performance during the 2023 Primary Exit Profile PEP and Caribbean Secondary Examination Council CSEC exams.
For this year, we are working with a particular theme, celebrating empowerment through education, because that is what we see in our top achievers. Children who have risen above circumstances, who have utilized the opportunity of education and are now moving towards success.
You are indeed a product of service, shaped by your contributions of countless individuals who believe in the potential of this nation.
The top achievers for PEP each received a book voucher and a check valued at $25,000 in addition to their trophies. In addition to their plaques, winners at the secondary level each received a book voucher valued at $50,000, along with a check of the same value. The PATH top scholars at both the primary and secondary school level were nominated not only for their academic performance, but also other aspects of their student career. For their hard work, they were each given a letter of commendation from the Minister of Labour and Social Security, Pernell Charles Jr. At the primary school level, Jamay Thomas and Evoy Gooden took the honours. Kashif Barton and Dervet Mignot returned the highest number of Grade 1 passes in CSEC to earn their top scholar trophies. The PATH Top Achievers Awards ceremony also serves as an opportunity to celebrate the tangible long-term impact of former beneficiaries of the program. For 2023, there were 2 nominees, and Jordan Freeman came out on top and received that Trailblazer Award for excelling in his academic and career pursuits.